Hello everyone. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 10, and it is going to tell you about time. We all seen this instrument at our house. What is this? This is a clock. What is going to tell you about? It is going to tell you about time. Which type of clock is this? This is an analog clock. And which type of clock is this? This is a digital clock. What is this? This is an analog clock and this is a digital clock. And you can also watch the digital clock in your mobile. Okay? Okay, ji. See these clocks. What these clock having? These clock having different number up to 12, from 1 till 12 it having the number. And what else it having a small stick or a small hand and a big stick or a big hand. Done. And there is also a thin stick. What is that? The thin stick is going to tell you about seconds. Okay. And what is the short hand or a short stick on the clock show you about? It is going to show you about hours. Okay. What is it going to show you about? It is going to show you about hours. Done. And what the longer hand or the longer stick going to tell you about? It is going to tell you about what? Minutes. Okay. What it is going to tell you about? It is going to tell you about minutes. Then, so what we have to do? We For understanding time, what we need to do? We need to look at these watches in the first picture. Okay. And we have to keep this in mind that the shorter hand is going to tell you about hour and the bigger hand is going to tell you about the minute. Done. In the first clock, what is going on? It is 12 o'clock. So where are the both hands? Both hands, the smaller and the bigger one, both are on 12. And when it's 1 o'clock, what's going to happen? The smaller hand move towards 1 and the longer stick or the longer hand move towards 12 again. Done. It whenever the longer hand or the longer stick is on 12 and the smaller or the short hand or the short stick is on any number, it will be o'clock. Okay. What does it mean? Whenever the smaller hand is on 3 and the bigger hand is on 12, it will be 3 o'clock. Similar like this, whenever it will be the shorter whenever the shorter hand will be on 5 and the bigger hand on the 12, what time it will be? It will be 5 o'clock. And similar like this, whenever the shorter hand is on 6 and the bigger hand is on 12, what time it will be? It will be 6 o'clock. Similar like this, when the shorter hand will be on 8 and the bigger hand will be on 12, what time it will be? It will be 8 o'clock. Okay. Similar like this, whenever the smaller hand is on 10 or 11, no, it's on 10, so, and the bigger hand will be on 12, so what it will be? 10 o'clock. So whenever I set you to draw the hands of a clock and ask you that it will be 3 o'clock or 7 o'clock, what you will do? For 7 o'clock, what you will do? you will draw the smaller hand towards 7 and the bigger hand towards 12. Done. And similar like this, whenever I ask you to to uh, draw the hands of clock when it will be 4 o'clock, so what you will do? You will draw the smaller hand towards 12 or 4. Yes, you have to draw towards 4. Done. And where you have to draw the bigger hand or the longer hand or the longer stick? Towards 12. Very nice. Done. Is it clear to you? Okay. First thing is clear to you that how an hour pass and how o'clock happens. Done. Now come to the deep illustration of the clock. It's it's really interesting. Okay, what is it? Look at the clock. First, look at the rectangular box. What it will be? I told you about o'clock. Whenever the long hand or the long stick will be on 12, what it will be? It will be o'clock. Done. And go downward, what it will be? When the longer hand move towards 6, then what it will be? And what does it mean? It means that it pass half clock and it is making a half of the whole clock, है ना? Is it so or no? Is it not? Yes, is it? So what it will be? What time it will be? It will be half past wherever the hour hand will be. Done. For example, if the hour hand will be on 10 and the minutes hand will be on 6, so I can say it's 10:30 or half past 10. Okay, or what, or how can we, or how can I define it? It's 30 minutes to 11. Okay, I can define the time in many ways. Okay, done. So you can also define it too. Done. Now see, what are these tiny lines tell you about? These tiny lines are what? These tiny lines are minutes. What are these? These are minutes. Minutes line. Okay, and this, the tiny stick, what it is going to tell you about? It is going to tell you about second. Okay, 60 seconds are equal to how many minutes? Are equal to 1 minute. We are going to learn it about on our next slide. So I want to explain you about the clock on this slide. Done. So look at this. From 12 to 1, how many lines are there? There are 5 lines. So on 12, it's 0. Done. And from 12 till 1, what it will be? It will be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then on the 5th dot, it will be 1. And after that, from 5th, we will add further 5 lines. What it will be? It will be 10. But we are writing here 2. Done. And 2 is going to illustrate about to pass any hours. Where will be the hour hand? Done. Got it? Similar like this, the 15. What is this? 15 tell you about? 15 is first quarter of the whole clock. What is this? If we divide the whole clock into 4 equal parts, so 3 will be the digit which is the first quarter of the clock, and what else? 6 will be the second quarter of the clock, है ना? Done. And 9th will be third quarter of the clock, and 12th will be 4/4 of the clock. Okay, so whenever the minutes hand move towards 3, so we will say it is quarter past to that hour where will be the hour hand. ठीक है, hour hand जहाँ भी होगा हम कहेंगे कि ये quarter past जो भी नंबर है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द आवर हैंड इज ऑन 11, सो व्हाट वी विल से इट्स क्वार्टर पास्ट 11. व्हाट विल बी से इट्स क्वार्टर पास्ट 11. एंड इफ द आवर हैंड or the shorter hand is on 7 and the longer hand is on 3, what we will say it is quarter past 7. What we will say quarter past 7. Done. Similar like this, when the minutes hand move towards 9, what we will say and the hour hand will be on 5. What we will say it's quarter to 6. What does it means? That there is a quarter remaining to 6 o'clock. ठीक है, यानी 6 बजने में सिर्फ एक क्वार्टर बाकी है. 15 minutes are left for 6 o'clock. Done? Is it clear? Okay, now from every single digit we can see there is a difference of 5, and after 1 what it will be, the second digit is telling you about 10, and the third one is telling you about 15, and fourth one is telling you about 20 minutes. Done. And 1 is telling you about how many minutes? 25 minutes. And similar like this, 6 is going to tell you about 30 minutes. Done. And 7 is going to tell you about 35 minutes. And 8 is going to tell you about 40 minutes. And 9 is going to tell you about 45 minutes. 10 is going to tell you about 50 minutes. And similar like this, 11 is going to tell you about 55 minutes. And why we write 00 on 12? Because it's o'clock. Done. Here the 60 minutes are completed and our 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Done. हमारा 1 घंटा कितने मिनट के बराबर होता है? 60 मिनट के बराबर होता है. ठीक है, that's why we write over here 00. Done. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, now I told you about time. Now you have to guess which answer is correct from the below one. Where is our R key or our stick or our hand? It is on 12. And where is our minute hand? It is on 3. Done. It is on 3. So how we are going to say it's quarter past 12, or it's 3 minutes past 12, or it's 3 o'clock, or it's quarter past 2? What we will say? Yes, your answer is correct. Okay, what we will say? A quarter past 12. What we are going to say? A quarter past 12. Done? Okay ji. For understanding time, we need to understand the units of time. Okay, units of time, what does it mean? That how many seconds are equal to 1 minute. Okay, 60 seconds are equal to 1 minute. It's not only that, then 60 minutes are combined together to form an hour. Okay, when 60 minutes gather, what it form? It form 1 hour. Okay, and when 24 hours combine, what it form? It form a whole day. Okay, and when 7 days combine, what it make? It make a whole week. And when 4 weeks or 4 weeks are combined, what it makes? It makes a month. Okay, and when 12 months are combined, what it make? It make a whole year. Done. Got it? So you come to know that 60 seconds equal to 1 minute, whereas 60 minutes are equal to 1 hour. Then 24 hours equals to 1 whole day. Then 7 whole days are equal to how many weeks? 1 week. Okay, as we all know that 7 days are there in a week. Okay, then 52 weeks combine to make a year, whole year. Okay, how many weeks are combined? 52 weeks are combined to make a whole year. And similar like this, in 52 weeks, how many days are there? 365 days are there. Okay, so we can say that a year is equal to 365 days. Okay, and when 365 days are equal to one whole year, and 4 weeks as I told you earlier, that 4 weeks are equal to 1 month, है ना? And when 12 months are combined, what it makes? It makes a whole year. Done? I hope it is clear to you. If you have any confusion, you can ask me. Okay? ओके जी, कम टू द असाइन टास्क। आपको जो टास्क असाइन किया गया है आपके होमवर्क में, उसकी तरफ आते हैं। इट्स एक्सरसाइज नंबर 10.1। ओके, आई डोंट रिमेंबर इट्स पेज नंबर बिकॉज आई डोंट हैव बुक राइट नाउ, so I'm telling you what it is going to ask you. The question number 1 is asking you, look at the clock. Okay, what you have to do first? You have to look at the clock and write time as many ways as you can. Okay, what you have to do first? You have to look at the clock, and then what you have to do? You have to write time in many ways. Okay, as I told you earlier in my lesson, that we can tell a single time in many ways. Okay, okay. So look at the clock. For example, look at this clock on the right side, the top one. Okay, what time is it? What time is it? The hour hand is on 2. Am I right? Or it's between 1 or 2? Yes, it is between 1 and 2. It is going to be on 2. Okay, and where is the minutes hand? It is on it is on it is on 10. Okay, or between 10 and 11, between somewhere in 10 and 11. It is between 10 and 11. So what time is it? It is almost how many minutes? It is 9 minutes to what? We can say, yes, it is 9 minutes to 2 o'clock. ठीक है, यानी 2 बजने में 9 मिनट रह गए। ठीक है, हम इसको 9 minutes to 2 o'clock भी लिख सकते हैं and we can also write it's 1:52. What we can write? 1:52 या 51, sorry 51, we can write it 51. Okay, because the minute hand is on 51. If we count from there, it will be 51, because the 10 is, what is the 10 going to tell you about? As we discussed in slide number 3, it is going to tell you about what? It is going to tell you about 50 minutes, है ना? 10 is going to tell you about 50 minutes. So the hand is upward from the 10. So it is 51. So 151 भी हम इसको लिख सकते हैं, और हम इसको 9 to 2 भी लिख सकते हैं। ठीक है, यानी 9 मिनट रह गए हैं 2 बजने में, हम ये भी लिख सकते हैं, और हम इसको 151 भी लिख सकते हैं। ठीक है, 1:51 भी लिख सकते हैं। डन? ओके, नाउ लेट्स कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। ड्रॉ द हैंड्स ऑफ क्लॉक। ओके, टू शो द करेक्ट टाइम। अब ये मैंने आपको बहुत अच्छी तरह एक्सप्लेन कर दिया। ठीक है, what is short hand tell you about? The shorter hand is going to tell you about hours. ठीक है, शॉर्टर हैंड आपको घंटों के बारे में बता रहा है. सो यू हैव टू ड्रॉ द शॉर्टर हैंड where the whatever the hour is mentioned below the clock, okay, and the long hand or the long stick on the minutes and whatever is mentioned on the question. Done. Similar like this, come to question number 3. Read the time and write the time. Okay, in first one you can see the picture on right side, the second picture on the right side, it's quarter past 2 है ना, it's quarter past 2 ना, or something else. Yes, it is 2:15 or it's quarter past 2. Done. What you have to do, you have to read this time. So we read it. Firstly, we have done the first task. Now what we have to do, we have to add these 20 minutes in it. ठीक है. Currently what time is it? It is 2:15 and we have to add what? We have to add 20 minutes in it. ठीक है. Now after 20 minutes what time it will be? It will be 2:35 है ना. It will be 2:35 or 25 minutes to 3. ठीक है. Done. Got it. I hope it is clear. If you feel any confusion, any single confusion, you can ask me, you can call to the school, they can arrange a meeting. Okay, we can meet at school. Okay, आप मुझसे स्कूल आके पूछ सकते हो, कोई ऐसे confusion की बात नहीं है. ठीक है. अच्छा, now come to question number 4. Fill in the blanks. ठीक है. अब ये fill in the blanks जो है ना, ये बहुत आसान है, मैंने सॉल्व भी यहाँ कर दी है. ठीक है. लेकिन इनको समझना ज़रूरी है. ठीक है. मैं अपने पूरे लेसन में इन सारी बातों को एक्सप्लेन कर चुकी हूँ, बट आपको यहाँ समझाना एक दफ़ा ज़रूरी है. दैट्स वाई आई एम डूइंग इट. ओके. सो देयर आर 60 सेकेंड इन अ मिनट. हाउ मैनी सेकेंड्स? There are dash second in a minute. So how many seconds in a minute? We have learned in the previous slide. How many seconds? 60 seconds. Done. Now B. The minute hand move from 5 to 6 in dash minute. How many minutes? 5 minutes. ठीक है. मिनट्स हैंड्स की बात जब हम करेंगे तो वो कितने में मूव कर रहा होगा? 5 मिनट्स में मूव कर रहा होगा फ्रॉम 5 to 6. But the hour hand move from 5 to 6 in dash hour. लेकिन जब आवर हैंड की बात करेंगे तो हाँ, वो कितने घंटे में एक जगह से मतलब फ्रॉम 5 to 6 जा रहा होगा? एक आवर में जा रहा होगा ना. यस. नाउ द डी, द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड द मोस्ट क्रिटिकल वन. The minute hand takes dash round around the clock in a day. Okay. First of all, what we understand in the previous slide, we understand that an hour is equal to 60 minutes. है ना. यही समझा हमने कि हम जो है वो एक घंटा किसके बराबर होता है? 60 मिनट्स के बराबर होता है. ठीक है. तो वो जो 60 मिनट्स होते हैं एक घंटे में, अगर हम उनको 24 टाइम्स देख लें तो वो क्या बन जाएगा? 1440 rounds of the clock in a day. Okay, got it?